right, that didn't quite go the way I saw it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Recently I crashed my drone into the side of my barbecue grill. I had owned that drone for 8 months. I hadn't used it or it's never seen the air before until the day or so I crashed it. And that was really why I didn't want to fly it, because I was scared I was going to crash. Not into a tree or into a pool, but into the side of my barbecue grill. Anyway, when I did that, it broke the little access arm. I had to repair that, which wasn't too bad, and it was a lesson learned. Now, I'm clumsy, I'll admit it, and you might be too, and if you are and you have a drone, this product may be for you. Now, this was not sent to, well, it was sent to me after I bought it, okay, on Amazon. It's the Propeller Guard. And think of it as training wheels for your little drone. That way it flies nice and safe. Today we're gonna try this out, see if it actually works, if it's worth the money, which is not very expensive, it's plastic, and I'm sure you know where it's made. Anyway, so we're gonna get this up in the air, do some scenarios, or try and crash it, kind of. I really don't want to crash it, but we'll see if it actually works. But let's go to the unboxing first, and I'll see you later. Alrighty, now these things are gonna look hideous, I think, but if they can keep me from crashing, that's fine with me, I guess. That's two. I guess they're labeled. This should be very easy to put together. Oh, okay, there we go. Well, that wasn't such a chore now, was it? All right. Now let's put on my little landing gears. All right, now it looks a lot bigger and clunkier. Anyway, let's go in and get this up in the air and see how it does. Okay, now let's try out these fancy training wheels.
Home point updated.
And now I'm going to try and purposely fly into the curtain. All right, so far so good. Let's go try and fly into the side of the grill again. Okay, so you see that it does work. It is practical. I do think it kind of interferes with the way it flies just a bit. I notice it flies a little differently. It doesn't have that annoying tone that you get on there for a possible collision, which could be cool. I mean, I guess you really don't need it if you're going to avoid it. The only problem I do see is this opening right here. I think that anything that came in contact with here is going to hit the propellers and cause it to crash. I did fly it into the curtains a few times. I figured something soft would be nice. It seemed to do fine. Of course, if you fly up, you might hit something too. But for the price and for what it's worth, just so you kind of get used to how you fly this, I think it's not a bad idea. I will leave a link in the description below. And also, if you're interested in these little landing gears, I will also link that. These just clip on. There's nothing that you need to screw on or anything like that. So if any of you have tried this before, or the landing gears, and you've had good experiences or bad, please leave a comment in the section below. Let us know. And I want to thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And okay, enough said. Bye.